Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to stop apps from draining your phone battery on Android phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is head over to your phone master. I'm going to click on here to open my phone master. All right, so the next thing you need to do is to simply go to battery optimization. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply come down below right here where you have battery usage. All the apps that is consuming a lot of battery on your phone is going to be listed down below right here. What you need to do is to simply open all the app. So for instance, I'm going to open the Instagram right here. So I'm going to simply open it up. And you see the app detail right here. What you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you click on pause app activities if unused. Simply click on that. And with that, you'll be able to save a lot on your phone battery from drainage by drain from different apps on your phone. So basically, this is how to stop apps from draining your phone battery on Android Infinix phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.